Give me a reason, just a little bit's enough. Just a second, we were broken, this band, and we can learn to love again. Whoa, whoa, learn to love again. Did anyone know what song that is? I'm stuck. Why am I stuck? That was Pink. You've been talking in your sleep. Uh-oh. Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, January 6, 2014. I'm Jeffrey G, and this is Good Old Dutchman. So, on Saturday's surprise show, you saw my piggy bank. It broke. So I got this little one right here for change. And then I got the big one here. This is serious savings right here. And I'm going to super glue the bottom so I can't open it. Because actually... No, oh yeah, I got to fix that. I can do that later though. So, work on Saturday was, busy. But steady but not crazy. Same with Sunday. And then last night I went to CVS and got all these pictures for free. And they're all promo cards for my show and for Growing Up Giordano, which I will post online for you all to see. See me as a child, etc. Those are just pictures, silly boy. So I was doing that Sunday night till super late. I was going to give my shift up to my friend Amanda, but my friend Jen's opening tomorrow, and I love her. And I printed some more pictures for the set 2014. And when I get up close, I'll show you a picture of me when I was little, probably like 4 years old. You could totally tell I was gay. I have a model from Fraggle Rock. So, the other day I went to Subway and I put my keys in my back pocket and I had my ADD medication in there, just one pill, and I pulled my keys out and drove away and I went to look for it and I was like, I know exactly where I dropped it, Subway. Right when I was leaving. So I drove my scooter right back there because that medication is expensive. So I got to get health insurance. I drove back there and it was still there on the floor. Thank heavens. And I'm glad it is Monday, January 6th, because things will be back to normal today. New television programming, like all the talk shows will be live again and new. And it's the work week, so everyone will be done with vacation. There won't be that much traffic. Now, like I said, I was going to get my shift up, and it's raining, so I should have gave it up, but whatever. Any money is better than no money, or spending money. So, the kid I'm mentoring, he's 21, and I told him he was selling pills, and I said, give all your pills to Jeffrey first, so I can take them. Kidding. But no, I told him, you need to get your GED online. I'll help you find a website to do that. You need to start your resume. I'll actually do it for you and type it up. We're going to work on getting all your information. And I said, you got to kick your girlfriend out of your grandfather's trailer because she's cheated on him twice. I know, but I love her. Yeah, well, it took me 2 years to get over somebody, so I told him to get over it. And I said, the minute you mess up, boy, I'm out of here. I'm not wasting my time. And, of course, I can never watch E without watching a Kardashian show or commercial. And their new commercial promos for the January 19th premiere, you hear Courtney going, we're a ride or die family and we'll always stick together. It's like so annoying. And speaking of the Kardashians, Kylie Jenner got a traffic ticket over the weekend. And Kim Instagrams a picture of her abs for us all to see. She does have a six-pack. Go Kim. So do I. Overalls. Kind of. Just kidding! Quote of the day, quote of the day. Time for the quote of the day. Let go of cheating on your future with your past. It's time to move on and tell a new story. So things that happened maybe in our job 10 years ago. It was 10 years ago. Get over it. Move on. You're a different person. That's my quote of the day. Work. Speaking of work, Tracy, one of my good friends at work, she's like, it's so ghetto, it's so funny. She uses a fake voice, like I said, and she dropped the check because we no longer add gratuity because of tax reasons. So, and the bottom they have like 18, 20, and 22% of what it adds up to, and says suggested gratuity. And she goes like this all day. We no longer include gratuity. And at the bottom, it gives you a selection of 18, 20, and 22%. Any of those options would be great to leave. Thank you. Happy Sunday. And she uses this fake white girl, like Valley Girl accent. I love it. So, Evander Holyfield made a comment. He ripped gay people on Big Brother UK by saying it's a choice and it can't be fixed. Well, Evander Holyfield, it's not a choice. Do you think I'd want to go through middle school and high school being called a faggot every day and not fit in and get picked on and bullied? It's not a choice and it cannot be fixed. Sorry. I know you won't understand it because you're not gay, but there you go. My thoughts on that. So, I think that's all I really got to say today. Have a great Monday. It's back to normal for sure, finally. Please subscribe to my channel. You can do that by going to www.youtube.com/user/Jeffrey Giordano Show. Or just go to YouTube and type in Jeffrey Giordano Show and search for it. You'll find it. Thanks. Everyone have a great, totally excellent, awesome Monday. I know a lot of you are like, oh, back to work. But it's my Friday. Gotta get down on Friday. I just want to show you my pics real quick up close. Alright. So that's me at 4 years old, knowing I was gay. Me and Mama G. These are for promos for Growing Up Giordano, which is a documentary of me telling funny stories of me growing up. Part of my two brothers and my two cousins. My little brother wasn't born yet. And these are just show promos that have the website, the YouTube channel. And let me know if you know someone that can create a great website. Thanks, bye. Oh, and P.S. Guess who paid all his bills for February already? That's right, this guy. Getting on track for the new year, yo. Hi.